Today on Jane's Corner, we're making mouth-watering one-pan pork chops and roasted vegetables in the air fryer. And it's all ready in a matter of minutes. So, let's get started. Let's begin with our savory pork chop marinade. In a shallow pan, add 1/3 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon each of apple cider vinegar and Dijon mustard, 1/4 teaspoon powdered garlic, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon each of ground pepper and paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon sugar substitute of your choice. Wash the pork chops and pat dry with paper towels. Add the pork chops to the marinade mixture, making sure the pork chops are well coated. An alternative way is to marinate the pork chops in a Ziploc bag with the marinade mixture. Marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Remove the pork chops from the fridge prior to preheating the air fryer. Preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Spritz the crisper plate with vegetable nonstick spray for easy cleanup. Air fry for 12 to 15 minutes, flipping halfway through. If you're using a silicone liner like I am in this recipe, it might take a couple minutes more for the pork chops to get perfectly done. While the pork chops are cooking, let's prepare the ingredients for the air fryer roasted veggies. You can use fresh vegetables and cut them into uniform-sized pieces to cook evenly, or for convenience, grab a bag of pre-cut frozen mixed vegetables. Place 2 to 3 cups or more of the veggies in a medium-sized bowl. Then add 1/4 cup olive oil, and also add 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon lemon pepper seasoning, and a dash of ground pepper. Feel free to use your favorite seasonings. Then, toss the veggies with the seasonings to fully coat the veggies. Now, it's time to check your pork chops for doneness. It is best to use a digital meat thermometer to check for doneness. Internal meat temperature should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit on the thickest portion of the meat. Next, place the veggies in a single layer in the air fryer basket, or arrange them loosely in the basket in order for the veggies to cook properly. Air fry the vegetables for 8 to 9 minutes. Don't forget to shake the basket halfway through. It's the ultimate keto-friendly dinner for those busy nights when you still want something healthy and flavorful. And if you're not on a keto diet, this one-pan air-fried pork chops and veggie plate is a perfectly nutritious and delicious meal. Watch my next video on low-carb, keto-friendly cream cheese cookies out next.